Alright guys, let's get into it. iPhone 17 prices. Now I know this is the part that usually makes people nervous. Every year it's the same story. Apple's definitely going to charge more this time, tariffs are going to push prices up. Get ready to sell your kidney. But this year's surprise, it might actually not be that bad. Here's what's going on. Everyone was expecting a 5% price hike because of US tariffs. Investors were sweating, customers were worried, memes were flying. But then in August, this little thing called a semiconductor tariff exemption went into effect. Sounds boring, right? But it basically saved Apple from having to slap extra costs on the iPhone. So instead of scary new prices, most of the lineup looks like it's staying the same. Let's talk numbers. The regular iPhone 17? Still $799. No changes, no headaches. The Pro Max, which is Apple's big fancy phone, still around $1,099. Honestly, I thought that one would go up, but nope, looks like Apple's holding steady. Now here's the twist. The iPhone 17 Pro is the only one where things get a little spicy. Apple's ditching the 128GB base model and starting everyone at 256 gigs instead. That bumps the price from $999 up to $1,099. So it is more expensive. But when you think about it, you're basically paying the same as last year, you're just forced into more storage. You're out $100 more, but you're also getting double the space. And then we have the brand new kid in the lineup, the iPhone 17 Air. This replaces the 16 Plus, and Apple's making it their slim and sleek option. The price is a bit of a mystery, but analysts think it'll be somewhere between $899 and $949. But here's the clever part. In China, Apple might drop it closer to $800. Because at that price, it qualifies for a government subsidy, which makes the phone cheaper for buyers and way more competitive in Apple's biggest market. Big picture. Most of the iPhone 17 lineup isn't getting the scary price hike people were predicting. Unless you're aiming for the Pro, your budget from last year will probably still work this year. And with Apple adding new designs like the Air, the value might actually feel better. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.